Test natin tong EMG TTI Combat Master John Wick 3. Shoutout kay Boss Troy ng Lanao del Norte. So license unit to guys, with complete TTI John Wick 3 markings. So may license card din siya. Ayan. So this one is the standard version. Meron na rin tayong island barrel version. So made in Taiwan. Metal yung slide, metal din yung frame. So threaded yung outer barrel. Naka fiber optic sights front sight. Okay, so test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. 376, 359. So guys, for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Airsoft.